A proposed business idea is visualizing future safety and security for ride sharing using voice biometrics. Business opportunity. Safety and security of riders are very important to Uber considering its guidelines. For the past 4 years, sexual harassment has become a major problem for them. In order to tackle this situation, Uber introduced real time ID verification using facial recognition of drivers, which led to the privacy violation of the users. Hence, our business idea is to launch an enhanced AI system used to authenticate the drivers using the audio recognition, which will purge the privacy breach of the Uber riders. This idea is an improvisation of hand-free pickups feature which enables the drivers to accept trips and interact with the clients using a voice. With a small tweak in this by adding an audio recognition system which help in restoring the customer's trust and public image. Business IT alignment and MOV. MOV of this business idea is to have a safe and secure journey without infringement of customers' privacy through AI, which results in cost cutting, customer privacy, and enhanced brand image in the market. The objective of this proposal is to increase the safety by 85% during the ride, reducing the discomfort of the riders from 35 to 20%, and add algorithms for total of 100 languages. The new business idea aligns with the existing business model in the long term strategy. By patching this new idea, it will create a peaceful and safe environment for Uber users to widen their experience. However, the MOV falls in line with the vision, mission, and business idea, results in tangible and intangible benefits that can be generated by IT and business alignment.
The three alternatives identified for this proposal are built-in house, buy company, do nothing. Built-in house is where Uber can develop their own authentication algorithm and integrate with their voice-activated command feature. Uber can also make the software language independent considering their global perspective. Buy company is where Uber can acquire an established biometric software provider company. Aware has been identified to be a suitable option for the proposal. It is a provider of biometric software solutions and applications for various biometrics including voice. The third option is do nothing, where Uber can ignore the proposal and continue with their facial recognition software and independently roll out the voice activated command feature. Alternatives. Built-in house. Uber has already introduced a voice command system in Australia where drivers can opt to accept or reject a ride request using voice commands, and for this purpose Uber has a very dedicated conversational AI research team working on dialogue systems, automatic speech recognition and natural language processing (NLP). They even have their own conversational AI platform named Plateau Research Dialogue System. These resources could be used along with additional acquisition of professionals in the field of biometrics to develop an in-house voice authentication feature. Buy company. The next option is for Uber to buy an already existing biometric service provider. Aware, a global biometric service provider, serve the purpose. They have well-developed authentication systems on various biometrics including voice. Their voice authentication product Nixa Voice is efficient enough considering its features like liveness detection, language and independency, and static and dynamic fast phrase option.
Analyzing the alternatives. The alternatives have been analyzed based on the four major factors, that is feasibility, benefits, cost, and risk. Based on the analysis, the following inferences has been made. Built in-house. Uber's experience in developing the voice-activated commands and the extensive research it has been conducting on conversational AI will be an added advantage for the development of voice authentication system. Uber's deep learning infrastructure and their global data will help in developing a more precise and multilingual voice authentication system. This option can be considered less expensive as they only need to incorporate a few additional biometrics professionals. However, their lack of experience in biometrics field could be considered a disadvantage, and hence the alternative can be considered to be highly risky. By company. This alternative is comparatively less risky as it is an established biometric service provider providing their services to even FBI. Uber can also find broader business opportunities from the other clients of the firm. Also, on a long-term basis, Uber can continuously enhance its safety features with the increasing research in biometrics field. On the other hand, there will be feasibility concerns on incorporating the third-party algorithm into the Uber infrastructure. Also, this alternative is expensive compared to built-in-house alternative.
Selecting the best choice. So in this case, merging and acquisition would be a better choice because many business experts have said building custom AI with open source tools can cost millions of dollars and it can take months to train machine learning algorithm to do what most vendors have already accomplished. Buying offers a lot of other advantages, like vendors take over the tricky issues of integrating new AI applications into an existing IT environment. So this brings down the cost and a lot of time savings. Implementation plan. Here we are implementing CRISP DM enhanced agile approach, which is a combination of agile project development and agile enabled data methodologies. It is expected to complete within 6 to 8 months. So the goal of this methodology is to deliver expected results to the organization and provides a framework for continued iterative development at the lowest risks possible. First milestone, increase safety by 50%. Second milestone, increase safety by 85%. To conclude, when this business strategy is adopted, Uber can retain its competitive advantage by improving its analytical capabilities to provide riders with a convenient and efficient ride.